Are you considering homeschooling your kids but you're worried about the cost? You're not alone. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips on how to homeschool on a budget. Welcome back to the Outschool channel. If you're new here, hey, we're Outschool, your learning support system and partners on your kids' education journey. At Outschool, we believe we can help kids and empower them to love learning. Here in our channel, we're going to post videos and tips every week on how to keep you and your family inspired on your learning journey. If you want to join the Outschool family, hit the subscribe button or click that notification bell so you never miss a chance to connect and build your community. Let's get into the video. A common question we see in the Outschool community is how to make homeschooling more affordable. And that's with good reason. With all the activities that homeschoolers do, from trips to supplies, books, more books. Did I say books? It can all add up really quickly. The good news is that there are a lot of affordable or free resources even that can help you on your homeschooling journey to make it more sustainable for your family, friendlier on the pockets. We've gathered all the top resources recommended by hundreds of families in the Outschool community and are sharing them with you now for free. Take a look. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with friends and families who can use these tips. We could all use some tips in saving some money. First, let's talk about free or affordable curriculum. Curriculums can run into hundreds and thousands of dollars. The first thing to note is that online curriculum are often cheaper than the hard copy, often by hundreds of dollars. Plus, when you're using an online curriculum, you can really just order what you need. Teachers Pay Teachers is a great site and it can offer affordable worksheets, unit studies, or other resources. The great thing is that you can usually look at a few free samples before ordering the whole resource. Another great resource is Facebook groups, where parents share everything from free or very affordable resources, unit studies, curriculum, or websites. Once you find a community, you'll generally find that homeschoolers are very excited to share their experiences and any advice that they might have that would help you on your learning journey, especially the Outschool parent community. See what I did there? Do you ever wish there was an easy way to connect with parents and families who had like tons of homeschooling experience that you could just ask for advice and ask questions? You're in luck. Join our parent community and meet thousands of homeschoolers just like you. We're here to share advice, ask questions, connect with like-minded families, and support one another as we set learning free. Click the link below to join. We're very inclusive and very accepting. And not one family's the same. Everybody's got their different way of doing it. We're just all trying to figure out what works best. In addition to curriculum, there are a lot of free or affordable standalone resources. Explore the Code is a very affordable phonics workbook. Reading Eggs offers a full 30-day trial. They often have a deal for a full year and offer a math program with it, which is great for young learners. Teaching textbooks online is very affordable and offers different price points for learners of different ages. CuriosityStream has an affordable annual fee and has a list of great documentaries or educational shows. Don't forget you can use streaming services that you already have, such as Disney Plus or Netflix. Specifically, the National Geographic section of Disney Plus is pretty awesome. Homeschool families love October Free Kids Month. Many museums, zoos, or aquariums have tons of deals for kids to get in free with an adult purchase. And the National Park Pass. Fourth graders get a free National Park Pass for the whole year. Autistic learners and neurodiverse learners with permanent disabilities get free lifetime passes. Don't forget about leveraging your local library. Check out books, DVDs, resources, and more. The Libby app on iPad or phone can be used to check out Kindle or Audible versions of books. Friends of the library used bookstores often have kids' books or resources for very cheap. Depending on your state or your kid's age, a lot of families can actually enroll in free university courses or free community courses. Many libraries will have free museum or zoo passes that you can use, or you can even check out weekly passes to certain local spots. Supplement your learning with affordable online programs or classes. MathCU and Khan Academy are great if your kid does well with self-directed learning. If your kid needs more live, direct support from an Outschool educator, try an Outschool class. Sometimes your kid is stuck on a math problem, needs some extra support to get to the next reading level, or just can't get enough of anime drawing, or dragons, Roblox, Birds of Prey, Minecraft, rocks, or animal farts. Outschool can help. We have thousands of high-quality educators who can meet with your kid in a live class to help them get inspired about any subject of your choice, from math to writing to music. Your kid can join a live one-on-one tutoring session or a live group class where they can meet with kids who share their own interests, which makes learning more fun. Try it out at outschool.com. Now let's keep going with the video. They can join an affordable group class where they can meet other learners that share their interests, or have a one-on-one session with an educator for a fraction of the cost of in-person tutoring. Check out our homeschooling families list of favorite Outschool classes for elementary, middle school, and high school learners. Take advantage of reading programs that offer incentives. Barnes & Noble Summer Reading, Pizza Hut Book It, In-N-Out, and Dolly Parton's free book program all have fun challenges that kids can try that will motivate them to learn and read. Swap curriculum with other families, especially the teacher's manuals, so you can take advantage of trying out a new teaching and learning style. Attend a curriculum resale event. This usually happens locally at the beginning of every school year. You can find gently used curriculum for very cheap or even free. Lots of places like Homeschool Buyers Club will get homeschoolers together to purchase curriculum using the group discount. Rainbow Resources is also a great spot to shop. They often have cheaper resources than Amazon. Lastly, don't forget to ask for homeschool discounts. Many homeschool teachers can get discounts at places like Joann's or Barnes & Noble's using ID or homeschool paperwork. Many museums will have homeschool days, where they invite homeschool families during the school day at a fraction of the cost and offer fun academic activities for kids to try. If you're new to homeschooling and looking for more resources to help guide you on your homeschooling journey, be sure to check out our free homeschooling ebook. If you're new to homeschooling and want more free resources on how to get started, be sure to check out our free homeschooling ebook. It's filled with tons of advice from seasoned homeschoolers and tips on how to choose the best curriculum for your family and more. Check the link in the description box to find out more and get your free ebook. The long and short story is that you can homeschool for very cheap or even free if you're willing to take the time to piece the different resources together. Get creative and share with your community. For more information on these resources, check on the description box below. If this video was helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a learning tip from us. We'll see you next week's video. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you think this video would help a friend or loved one, be sure to hit that share button and invite them to the Outschool family to help us on our mission to set learning free. We'll be posting videos each week, so if you've got a question or an idea on what kind of video you'd like to see as you build your homeschooling resource, please let us know in the comments below.